Here I am back.
You guys just missed 2 boats, but that's
Fine. Again, name all these boats. I do not know how to edit anything to be in the same video, so you guys can comment.
Some would do.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Well, anyway, still. You guys tell me in the comments how to edit YouTube videos and these lovely people right here. And then, yeah.
Well, that's a boat.
Well, there's another boat over there, but I'll just admire this one right here for now. Your hair's in the way.
That's a person's house, and I don't care. It's pretty.
It is pretty. Let's zoom in on this person's house.
Yeah, this is a nice house.
Okay, you see this house right here? Isn't it beautiful?
The one with all the yellow lights on it.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Comment if they are. Okay, next boat. It's a blue boat. What should this boat name be? Comment again. It's not really giant. Ooh, you see that one over there? That was just like, okay, never mind. Okay, it's not that giant, but it's medium
Well, if
size.
you were on it, it'd be huge.
Yeah, oh, seem like it.
Did you just call me a kid?
Here comes the music.
Musical.
If you guys can hear it, shush.
Is that the boat? Yeah, that's a giant blob of light.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! I yelled loud.
Oh my gosh, we have a giant Christmas tree. How does that thing even fit on it?
I
Oh.
don't know.
Look at my video. Look.
Oh, that's what mine.
Once it gets closer, then you guys would be able to see everything.
Blob.
Yeah.
Hello. It's extremely cold out. It's like 50 something.
It's literally still a blob.
I found a hamburger. What? I found a hamburger.
Oh yeah, I see a hamburger now.
I can't read. Merry Christmas scroll and
Well, anyways, I know you guys can't see this boat, but it's beautiful.
Really? I yelled real.
Continue with the music. Thank you.
Thank you. They listen to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh,
You
that
guys
was a dancing bear.
huh?
I thought there was a dancing bear on it for a second, but it was a jump.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Probably still can't. Hi, hamburger. It's a
Where's the hamburger?
It's a huge.
No, the hamburger's down there in the water.
Oh, it's on fire.
No, there's probably more boats.
It's a hamburger.
Okay, you look at this boat and it's a hamburger.
I like hamburger. Right there, that's the hamburger. That's a big hamburger. It's almost my whole screen long.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
Shane, I'm probably gonna
I'm
draw
running.
an hamburger.
There's elves on that ball and the Santa Claus.
Yell hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
On the count of 3, let's yell hi, Santa.
1, 2, 3. Hi, Santa.
I yelled so quiet. That's so loud.
There's the hamburger with elves
And Santa.
and Santa on it. Okay, next boat. Wait,
What if when we get home the elves are bathing in marshmallows?
Hayden, these are the same boats over and over.
That's it.
We saw that boat.
No, I didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, I didn't.
Hayden, do you not remember that boat? Do you not remember that boat over there?
No, that was
Okay.
a different one. It had the inflatable in front of it. That's a shark.
What now?
That's a shark about to eat a bear.
That's not. Which one?
The one right there with the giant point in the back.
It is.
The little floating bear with a shark head.
How do you?
It sounds like cop. The cop sirens. Wee woo.
Isn't that beautiful? Anyways, if you you guys don't remember to name all these boats.
That
Hit it.
is a tiny boat.